The lawnmower? Don't know that one?
No.
Oh, okay, this is the lawnmower. Okay, this is the lawnmower. Okay, you push, and then you go, oh, wipe the sweat. Wipe the sweat.
You know the dance move, the dance, it's not very Do the lawnmower? How did that even get in this country? I was not about to embarrass myself in front of a whole English crowd. Okay, I'm doing this because it's a quest and I'm really nice. I'm not this dorky, I promise, but this is my lawnmower. This is what I bring home all the fellas with. Alright, here we go. Can I get a drum beat? Or I don't know. Alright, here we go.